Hi, I'm Angel Barber, a Senior Advisor in Clinical Risk Management at Cigna Medicare Advantage. With over 30 years of experience in nursing, critical care, and ambulatory surgery centers, and pharmacy services, I offer a unique perspective on mitigating risks to patients, providers, and organizations. My passion for healthcare risk management led me to teach the subject through Elevator. Our course is ideal for individuals interested in pursuing a career in healthcare administration or management, as well as healthcare professionals responsible for managing risk in the workplace. What can you expect from our course? You'll gain practical skills in identifying and addressing risk, ensuring patient safety, and complying with healthcare laws. With incident reporting, emergency preparedness, and effective communication training, you'll be equipped to contribute to organizational resilience and advance your career. To ensure the practical application of your acquired knowledge and skills, our course goes beyond theory. You can expect engaging activities like case studies, workshops, and interactive discussions during office hours. These hands-on experiences will allow you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios and foster a deeper understanding of healthcare risk management. I'm thrilled to share my knowledge and perspectives with you and assist you in developing a strong proficiency in healthcare risk management. We can't wait to see you in class.